Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about, can a virtual data room support secure document sharing in non-profit sector? So the answer is yes, a virtual data room can support secure document sharing in non-profit sector. Non-profit organizations often deal with sensitive information such as donor data, financial statement, grant application, program evaluation, and confidential board materials. A VDR provides a secure and effective, efficient way to store, manage, and share this document with internal staff, board members, volunteers, donors, and other stakeholders. Here's how a VDR can be beneficial in the non-profit sector. Number 1. Secure document storage. VDRs often secure cloud-based storage, ensuring that non-profit organization can store their sensitive documents in a protected environment. They eliminates the risks associated with the physical document storage such as loss, theft, and code damage. Control document access. VDRs provide granular access control, allowing administrator to set permission and restrict document access to authorized individual groups. Number 3. Collaboration and workflow management. VDRs enable collaboration among internal teams, volunteers, and external partners. User can collaborate on document, leave comments, track exchanges, and work together on project while maintaining version control and document integrity. Number 4. Board management. Many non-profit organizations have a board of direction or trustees responsibilities for governance and decision making. VDRs can streamline board management by providing a secure platform and sharing board materials, meeting minutes, financial reports. Number 5. Donor and fundraising management. Non-profit heavily rely on donations and fundraising efforts. Number 6. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Non-profit must comply with various legal and regulatory requirements such as data protection laws and financial reporting standards. Donor due diligence when seeking fundraising and foundations, corporate or governance agencies. Number 8. Document tracking reporting.